Yo, guys, hey, like here I am trying to be a greatness and shoot a content, but my voice, she just decides to run away. Where is she going? Where are you going, sis? Wow, sir. Molweni, lovie, sweety, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, namhlanje we're doing a very quick video. I'm going to be doing an eyebrow tutorial on how I get this feathered brow look. I like it, I like it, I like it a lot. So did this video because quite a few people have kind of asked me how I get my brows done, so I thought, just do a video on it instead of having to go to each person one by one. To be honest with you, when I first saw the feathered brow trend last year, I was really not into it. I was just like, ew, no, I don't like this. Because at the time I was still very much into a very dark defined brow. And I think I mentioned in my previous video that my interests, my tastes, and the way I do my makeup has changed quite a bit. So right now, the feathered brow look, it really works with my current look, and I've been really enjoying it. And I will leave a description of all the products that I used in the description box below. And if you like this video, don't forget to comment, to like, and subscribe. Join my family, yo. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!